Friends, I am Kesavamurthy from Coimbatore. I am an HR cum educational consultant. Now, in our YouTube channel, we have uploaded videos on education, career, job, and then scholarship exams, etc. In this video, we will look at the exams conducted by Union Public Service Commission, UPSC. They conduct many exams. In this video, we look at about 5 different exams which may be useful for graduates, people who have completed their graduation. The one is the popular exam is UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, Indian Civil Services Exam, that is IAS exam, popularly known as IAS exams. So this particular details about this exam is given in, already we have given in one of our videos, it is already uploaded. So let us not look at this particular exam in this video. The second is UPSC CDS exam. CDS means Combined Defence Service. Here in this, through this exam they recruit officers in Army and Air Force and military. Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy, Indian Air Force Academy, Officers Training Academy, etc. They need lot of officers and they recruit through these particular exams. Here both male and female are recruited. And they conduct a test. Basically, it is multiple choice questions on general knowledge, English, mathematics. Each of these things there will be 120 questions, 100 marks each. So this is applicable for graduates. The third exam is UPSC CAPF exam, that is Central Armed Police Forces exam. CAPF refers to Central Armed Police Forces. Here they recruit assistant commandants through this exam. They recruit assistant commandants. They work in BSF, Border Security Force, CISF, CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force, SSB and ITBP. So these are the positions in these organizations are filled through this particular exam. They have, the selection is through written test. They have 2 papers. In one paper, they ask questions on general knowledge, mental ability, social science and science. And in paper 2, they will ask questions on general knowledge, essay and reading comprehension. The fourth exam is UPSC IES exam. IES refers to Indian Economic Services. Now, here this particular, they recruit economics officers and statistical officers through this exam. And degree in economics and degree in statistics are the eligibility for these exams. So this UPSC IES exam will have actually 6 papers. They have English, general knowledge, and then 4 papers on economics. Here graduation economics is required for this particular exam. And ISS, Indian Statistical exam, Services exam. Here English, GK and 4 papers on statistics. So these are the exams conducted to recruit economics officers for economics department and officers in statistical departments in Government of India. Okay. Then we have UPSC ESC. This is engineering services. ESC refers to engineering services. Here they recruit engineers. The eligibility is BE BTech and they recruit civil, mechanical, electrical, telecommunication, chemical and almost all the branches of engineers they recruit. And the jobs are in railways, naval armament, defense, border roads, power sector, etc. So the various posts are there. And they have 3 type of selection process, 3-stage selection process. One is the preliminary exam, the second is the main exam, and then interview. It is almost similar to IAS exam. Here you have preliminary, main, and interview. And the 6th one is UPSC NDA exam. That is National Defence Academy. NDA refers to National Defence Academy. Here the eligibility is 12th standard. 12th standard students can apply for this. And the posts are in Air Force and Navy. They have a written test and SSB interview. In all these exams, they recruit both male and female, number 1. Number 2, they assess general studies, that is knowledge on general knowledge, and then mental ability, and then social science and science and English. These are the areas where the assess. In all these exams, they expect the students to have a standard up to 10th standard level knowledge on all these areas. So students can prepare for this. In all these 6 posts put together, Put together, there will be at least about 2,000 to 2,500 vacancies every year. I mean, other than the civil service exams. If you add civil service exams, then it comes to around 3,500 to 4,000 posts are there. Every year they recruit through these exams. I hope the students will make use of this particular information. And now, before we close, I'll just show you these pages so that now you can just see this for yourself for a while. So this talks about UPSC IAS exam, and the other one is Defense Services CDS exam. So details are given for CDS exam in this particular screen. So in this screen we will give about CAPF and IES. Central Armed Police Forces exam and IES exam, that is Economic Services exam. Economic service includes economic services as well as statistical services. The details about it is given here. Whatever I have told, it is there in this paper. And the next one is UPSC Engineering Service exam and the NDA exam. Students can go to the UPSC website and then get more details on this particular exam. Thank you.